All right, wheel talk, wheel life, course run. 1. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Yeah. And that's the course. 21 seconds. That was sketchy as hell. All right, I'm gonna get really good at the course. I'm gonna go practice for a little while. That was the dry run. Technically first run, we'll try it again. Let me get some practice. Here, I'll take you with, why not? Oh, here, I'll let you see what I'm seeing. Whoa. Garage door. Hit the turn. Oh, wheel talk. However long that was. We'll try it again. And so I put some thought as I was cleaning my garage that we could even start from that area. Could do a rainbow. Like, we got some ideas and some courses, so if it rains tomorrow, we got ideas. You know, so it's the float life. Once you've had one, it's really hard to not have one, and straight addicted. That inner child. All right, here we go. Video at 140. We're going to start again. I'm going to get a good jump. Ready, go. Oh. Pow. That was pretty quick. Ooh. I don't know if this makes you seasick. All right, here we go. 210. Oh! Oh! Woo! That was like 10 seconds. I've gotten so much faster. But I almost literally fell. Look at my foot. Just if anybody asks, make sure you tell my wife that I was cleaning the garage. That's how I twisted my ankle. Oh. Ooh. I definitely couldn't run this in 10 seconds. Why would anybody ever want to do that? That was terrible. All right, get a one wheel. That was my exercise for the day. I'm going to go back and sit on the couch and be fat. Wheel talk, wheel life.